Kaikeyi, background and introduction. Dynasty and father. Kaikeyi was the princess of the famous Kekaya kingdom in Kerala. Her father's name was Ashwapati. Husband, she was the youngest and most beloved among the three wives of Dasharatha, the great king of Ayodhya. Son, Bharat. Divine blessing. Kaikeyi possessed both beauty and valor. Dasharatha loved her immensely and had promised to grant her two boons, which she had received through the blessings of the Devas gods. Chamakta Dil Kaikeyi and Dasharatha. Dasharatha loved Kaikeyi deeply, even more than his other wives, Kausalya and Sumitra. She was not only beautiful but also skilled in warfare. Aid in the Devasura war. Once, during a war between the Devas and Asuras, Dasharatha took Kaikeyi along as his charioteer. When the axle of Dasharatha's chariot broke during the battle, Kaikeyi held the wheel in place with her powerful arm, preventing the chariot from collapsing. After achieving victory in the war, the pleased Dasharatha asked her to request two boons. However, Kaikeyi said she would ask for them when she wished and kept them in reserve. Dil Tootna, the turning point, the two boons. The crucial turning point in Kaikeyi's character occurs during the preparations for the coronation of Sri Rama. Manthara's wicked counsel, Kaikeyi's maid, Manthara, was extremely cunning. Upon hearing the news of Sri Rama's coronation, she became jealous and approached Kaikeyi, sowing seeds of discord against Kausalya and Sri Rama. The demand for boons. Believing Manthara's words, Kaikeyi went to the Kopagriha, the chamber of anger, and sat down. When Dasharatha came to console her, she demanded the two boons she had reserved earlier. The first boon, Sri Rama boon, her son, Bharat, must ascend the throne of Ayodhya. Dasharatha's grief and death, trapped between his affection for his son and the necessity of keeping his promise, Dasharatha was deeply distressed by Kaikeyi's decision. He passed away shortly after Rama's exile. Folded hands. Later remorse. Bharat's rejection. Bharat, upon learning of his mother's decision, severely chastised her. He completely refused the throne that came from his mother's actions and went to the forest to bring Rama back. Realization of guilt. Kaikeyi realized the gravity of her mistake when Bharat rejected her, Dasharatha died, and the entire city of Ayodhya ostracized her. In the latter half of the Ramayana, she expresses deep remorse for her misdeed. In summary, the character of Kaikeyi symbolizes a combination of beauty, valor, love, arrogance, and intense remorse. Her two boons were the primary cause for the entire trajectory of the Ramayana narrative.